The continuous line panel that Custom Cooler offers, we call it the CLP, is a very versatile EPS insulated product. The product is made in thicknesses from 2 inch to 10 inches thick, which allow for our values of R8 to R44. We build panels up to 45 feet long and can have ceiling spans without support of up to 30 feet.
Continuous line panels differ fairly significantly from a discrete structural insulated panel with a frame. So our CanLock panels are furnished with a polyurethane insulation, where the continuous line panel is furnished with an expanded polystyrene insulation. Both of them offer good R value for our cold storage applications. Our CanLock panel has a traditional structural frame around the perimeter, while the continuous line panel does not have that frame, creating a thermally efficient joint when locked together.
In addition to that, these panels are industrial panel. It gives us the opportunity to supply our customers' needs from anything from as small as a 6x6 to a 600 by 600 by 40 feet tall. So the company is able to take care of the customer's needs no matter what it is. From an installation standpoint, there are a lot of misconceptions of the time it takes to put together a CamLock panel versus a CLP panel. Certainly, the CLP panel on a small enclosure takes more time. You have to cut your corners, you have to add all your inside trim and your outside trim. In comparison to the CamLock panel, where you have pre-made corners, on a larger enclosure, you can go ahead and put up an awful lot more square footage per labor hour on the CLP panel than you can with a CamLock. So most of our installation contractors who install both products will have their pricing be very similar.
With the continuous line panel, KPS Global is now able to offer our customers a more complete solution that is cost effective while meeting their structural as well as their thermal needs.